Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm outside in my backyard where I'm taking the dogs for a walk, and it's snowing today in Ontario, Canada. It's November 30th, 2011, and I thought I'd make a vlog because, woo! It hasn't really snowed yet in Canada. It's been a really weird November. Normally we'd have tons of snow right now. I remember last year when I was working snow removal, we'd already been out like 10 times. But anyways, as you can see, I don't know how long I can stay out here with my camera either, because it's probably gonna get soaked. This is why I film my videos with just a little Sony Cybershot camera. But this is where I take my dogs for a walk. This is my neighbor's property. It's a 200-acre tree nursery. That's our property right there. We have this big horse paddocks. We don't have horses at the moment, but we have a nice property too. But it's not big enough to take the dogs for a walk, so we walk them on here. So this is pretty much my backyard. When you go out my backyard, there's no houses or anything. It's just, whoa, dogs are nuts. Bean has never seen snow before. So today I'm just quickly taking the dogs for a walk, and I'm gonna head into town because there's a 16-year-old boy missing in my community. I live in a fairly small community. It's a big area, but because it's mostly farmlands and stuff like that, but not a big population, so it's kind of hits home when a kid goes missing here in this community. It makes you want to help out. So I think I'm going to go to the arena after this dog walk, and I'm going to go help in the organized police search for him. And he went missing 2 mornings ago, and I wasn't like this at all, and now there's snow on the ground. It's a complete whiteout, so I just want to help out. Come on, guys. Oh, it's really blowing. I don't know if there's like wind sounds right now in the camera. There might be. This is the farmer's field behind my house. It's they grew corn last year, and this year I think they switch it up every year, but this year they grew beans. Bean! Where the hell did you go? Bean! Where's Bean? I lost my dog. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is what Ontario, Canada looks like right now. If you're out on the west coast, like British Columbia, it's probably worse. I know the place that I went snowboarding last year in BC, Canada, there's already over 300 centimeters of snow as of last week. But yeah, just wanted to say hi. I made some reptile videos recently. I hope you guys like those. So I figured I could get away with a vlog right now. Come on! He's up! The snowflake. Ooh. Bean! Hey! So this is my new puppy, Bean. He's doing good. Come on, guys. Alright, so that was my dog walk. Hope you guys enjoyed.